army gadgetry you picked up for me.
Found Karen?
Even the moon has phases, just like our plan. Before we plug in the techno, we gotta bug up on Frank's phone.
You mean like tap Frank's phone?
No. It's the digital signal we want. The one that's all around us. Right now. Deep within the clicks and bumps of that signal, there's a GPS trace.
So if we can get Karen on Frank's cell...
More or less, but the clicks and hums are a language. The military gizmo helps us hear the language, but to know what it's saying, we need a translator. So, take my phone. All the muscle has to do is get to the antenna at the top of an electronics factory. Open the circuit box, plug in the phone, press 5, wait for wires to transmit a program. I'll be outside on lookout, sending karma. Let's find some wheels.
Protesters gathered outside the Clark County Courthouse earlier today to speak out against the federal deposition of Beth Bukowski, former accountant, local businessman, and all-around wonderful human being, Frank Veliano. Words quickly turned to gunfire, however, and the police were called to the scene. Bukowski claims to have evidence that Veliano has been involved in several money laundering schemes. When questioned about Bukowski's validity as a federal witness, mayoral candidate Reverend Winston Goodman responded.
Not only is Frank Veliano one of Vegas's most important citizens and philanthropists, he's a close friend. I'm not sure what this whole hullabaloo is about, but Veliano is as clean as a whistle. All the feds are gonna find is a bucket load of this.
You got an ID, buddy?
Standing this close to an antenna doesn't have any adverse side effects. Hope this worked.
Glorious! I got a few T's to dot, a few I's to cross. Meet me at the airport when you're ready for the next phase.